Hey guys, Jay here, WoodPigeon Outdoors. We made it. It is the next morning. We showed up, I guess, around dinner time. As you see, we got the morning fire going, morning coffee, and everybody's getting up, or half the team's up, already fishing. They were up at like 5 in the morning. We're still waking up. So we got some new ones. We got Christian. All right, you might have not seen him in other videos because he hasn't been in other videos, but now he's going to be in one. You might recognize sister-in-law from the Hawaii vlogs, and of course, everybody's favorite, her. Anyways, today we're doing salmon fishing, and then later on in the week we're going to be hitting the Appalachian Trail. So stay tuned. We're going to finish the coffee and then we're going to show you the water. Cheers. All right, so we made it. Right behind is our guide right here. Joe's going off with him. He's going to show her what to do for the fishing. Right. We got our rods over here as well. And we are at the second west, he was saying, on the Bonaventure. And like if you look at this behind. Isn't that an amazing view? So we don't know if there's salmon yet. We'll figure it out. But as you see behind, the view is incredible. Let's get this started and see what we can do. Got his line caught in the tree behind him as he was casting. You know, sometimes it's a part of fishing.